G'day guys, well my good friends down at Kincrome have sent me the new Lok-On impact socket sets. I've got the socket set in the 3/8 drive and also the deep socket set in the 3/8 drive. These are great if you use cordless drills on your bikes to get the nuts and bolts off. If you use a standard socket, sometimes they can break. These ones are made for using with your cordless drills. They're also fantastic with the new lock-on system that they have. They say that you can get 80% of a strip bolt and they'll still lock on and pull that bolt out. They work really well. I've used them before in the standard sockets, so I'm interested to see how they go in the impact drive. So let me show you what comes in the package. Well, let's open them up and have a look. Packaging off. So you see it says actually 85% are rounded fasteners that they can get off. These work really well. Let's get into the package. Cool little box. They come really well packaged. You can see there from 8 to the size 21 in a 3/8. I'm going to start taking some bolts off the bike and see how they work. Now let's take it out. That easy. So if you're someone that uses an impact drill on their bike, make sure you check out the new Kincrome impact lock-on sets. I think they work a treat. Check them out at kincrome.com.au.